friends, Miss Ellen here with Lighthearted Learning. Today I have the story Inch by Inch for you. Inch by Inch, it's the garden song, and it's by David Mallet, and the pictures are by Ora Eaton. Inch by Inch. Now this is a perfect story to talk about sequence or sequencing. What does sequence mean? Sequence is a two-syllable word. Sequence. It's a noun. It's the particular order in which related events, movements, or things follow each other. So it's the order of the story. Another way to think about it is what happened first, second, third, or fourth in the story, or so on. If there's more events than that. Can be even longer than that. All right, or think about the beginning of the story, the middle of the story, and the end. And if you take one of those things and put them out of order, then the story doesn't make any sense. Now, good readers pay attention to the sequence of events in the story and can retell the story in the correct order, or given pictures can place them in the correct order. If you take them out of order, doesn't make any sense. So sequencing is important, and it's also important in gardening. You have to do things in the correct order. There's an order of events that take place in order for a garden to grow and develop into a beautiful end result. So that's why sequencing is a great thing to talk about in this story. So I'm going to sing the song Inch by Inch for you, and I want you to focus on the order of events that take place, the sequence of the story. Inch by inch. Inch by inch, row by row, gonna make this garden grow. All it takes is a rake and a hoe and a piece of fertile ground. Inch by inch, row by row, someone bless these seeds I sow. Someone warm them from below till the rain comes tumbling down. Pulling weeds and picking stones. We are made of dreams and bones. Feel the need to grow my own, 'cause the time is close at hand. Grain for grain, sun and rain, find my way in nature's chain. Tune my body and my brain to the music from the land. Plant your rows straight and long, temper them with prayer and song. Mother Earth will make you strong if you give her love and care. Old crow watching hungrily from his perch in yonder tree. In my garden I'm as free as that feathered thief up there. Inch by inch, row by row, gonna make this garden grow. All it takes is a rake and a hoe and a piece of fertile ground. Inch by inch, row by row, someone bless these seeds I sow. Someone warm them from below till the rain comes tumbling down. And here's the entire song, inch by inch. Now, boys and girls, did you notice there was an order of events that happened in the story for the person to end up with a beautiful garden? Now, good readers pay attention to the sequence of the events, the order of the events in the story. All right, boys and girls, go be a good reader.